Hi dear students, we are going to discuss about the articles. It's the fourth chapter of your English grammar book. Which are the articles? Article a and the. A and the. These are the articles. Where do we use articles? We use article before a noun. We use article before a noun. Dear students, there are two kinds of articles. Indefinite articles and definite article. Indefinite articles and definite article. Which are the indefinite articles? Article a or an. Which is the definite article? Article the. Dear students, indefinite articles are called indefinite because they do not refer a particular person, place, animals or thing. Indefinite articles refer a general thing. Indefinite articles refer a general thing. For example, a pen, a car, an elephant. All these refer a general thing. Next, definite article. Which is the definite article? Article the. Definite article the refers a particular or specific thing, place, animal or person. Article the refers a particular or specific thing. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the president, the flag, all these refers a particular a specific place or thing. Next we will see the use of indefinite articles. Which are the indefinite articles? Article a or an. A is used before words that begin with a consonant or a consonant sound. Where do we use article a? A is used before words that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. Which are the consonant sounds? All the sounds except the vowel sounds. See, which are the consonant letters? All the letters except the vowel letters. Which are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. Except these vowel letters, other all letters are called consonant letters. So, A is used before the words that begin with a consonant or a consonant sound. So dear students, there are some words that starts with a vowel letter but have a consonant sound. For example, uniform, university. That noun starts with a vowel letter but there comes a consonant sound. U, Y, U, that sound comes there. So we use article a before that nouns. Dear students, it is also used before words that begin with U when pronounced as YU. Examples: a girl, a cat, a skirt, a uniform, a university. A girl, here the noun girl starts with the consonant letter G. So we use article a. And cat, that word also starts with the consonant letter C. So we use article a. Skirt, that word also starts with the consonant letter S. So we use article a before that noun. Then uniform. Here the consonant sound comes. U, Y, U. So we use article a before that. Then university. A university. Here also the consonant sound comes. That noun starts with the vowels letter but here comes a consonant sound. So we use article a. Then the use of an. Article an. An is used before words that begin with a vowel or a vowel sound. Where do we use article an? We use article an before words that begins with a vowel or vowel sound. It is also used with the words that begin with a silent H. Here also it depends upon the sounds of the first letter of the noun. For example, an egg. Egg, that noun starts with the vowel letter egg, E. So we use article an before that noun. Then an umbrella. Here also the noun starts with the vowel letter U. So we use article an before that noun. Then an orange. Here the noun orange starts with the vowel letter O. So we use article an before that noun. And an air. Here H is silent. That word starts with the consonant letter, but the H is silent here. So we use article an before that. Then an hour. Here also H is silent. Here comes a vowel sound. So we used article an before that noun. Dear students, once more I repeat that article A is used in front of a singular countable nouns. One thing you have to remember that article A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing, which are not specific. We don't use A before uncountable or plural nouns. Uncountable means which we cannot count it, that is called uncountable. So before that uncountable or plural nouns, we don't use article A. Then if a noun starts with a consonant sound, A comes before that noun. If a noun starts with a consonant sound, which are the consonant sound? All the letters except the vowel letters. So if a noun starts with a consonant sound, A comes before that noun. For example, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bag, a boy, a table. All these nouns starts with a consonant letter. So we use article A before that. Yes. An is used in front of a singular countable nouns which are not specific. And article an also is used in front of a singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. Before uncountable or plural nouns, we don't use article an. So if the noun starts with a vowel sound, which are the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, an comes before the noun. Article an comes before that nouns. For example, an apple, an egg, an ant, an orange, an hour, an aunt, an old man, an uncle. Here an hour, that is exceptionally. The word hour starts with a consonant letter, but here comes a vowel sound because H is silent. So we use article an before that noun. Next we can see the use of definite article the. The is called definite article. It is used before a specific thing or places or when something is only one of its kind. Article the is used before a specific things or places or when something is the only one of its kind. For example, the moon, the Taj Mahal, the Mahabharata, the house next to ours, the students in my school. All these examples show the specific thing or places. Students, the is also used with a single common or proper noun to represent a class or group. The is also used with a single common or proper noun to represent a class or group. For example, the class waited quietly for the teacher. The class. The rhinos must be protected from extinction. Yes, when we talk about the someone or something for the first time, we use article a or an. When we talk about someone or something for the first time, we use article a or an. When we talk about it again, we use article the. For example, a girl was holding an umbrella. The first sentence we use article a. A girl was holding an umbrella. A gust of wind blew umbrella away. Again we are talking about the same umbrella. So we use article the umbrella. The girl ran after it. Again we are talking about the same girl. So we use article the. The girl ran after it. Yes, the is used with the superlative and ordinals. For example, this is the best news I have ever heard. In the previous video, we could see that with the superlative degree we use article the longest, the shortest, the tallest, the best. So here, this is the best news I have ever heard. We will arrive on the 5th of May. Yes, students, one thing you have to remember that article the, we use article the in front of all the nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable. So we use article the in front of all the nouns. For one, to describe someone or something specific or unique. To describe someone or something specific or particular or unique. For example, the earth, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, the CEO, the sun. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the use of article a and the. Have a nice day. Thank you.